places like these. On the inside, we were like kids. That was an experience. The clothes are so beautiful. Hey guys, so we're on the way to KL Central right now and going to Genting. It's Oren's first time. Yeah, I haven't been there in a long time, and also we were in a rush day, so I know, but like I checked the timetable online for the bus and it's like 12:30. Right now it's 12:15, so I don't know if we're gonna make it. Change of plans. There was no bus available, so we were gonna drive instead. The last time I came here was like 5 years ago, so I think a lot of things have probably changed. Where are we going?
We're dogs, so we go to
It's gonna be my first time.
They're gonna check my ID.
They're gonna like,
Does
she look like a minor. So that was that. I'm hungry. Let's find something to eat. It felt kind of boring because like I didn't know what they were doing and I didn't really understand it. So like that was an experience. On the inside we were like kids, but just physically old enough. Pepper lunch. Oh god, I love pepper lunch. It's been so long since I had pepper lunch and they finally have it here. So like we're just not going to the theme park because I remember I've been there before, but it was like night, so we're not going there. So you know when you're eating at places like smoke just goes all over you, when you just smell like.
我想去说
I like to go to like Sephora or like any places with perfumes and just spray fragrance all over.
Oh.
It's okay. Let's try. So how was your experience?
I lost the ringgit.
So this is kind of like the bar street. Honestly, we don't know what to do here. So we're probably like gonna go back, take the cable car back to
Cream outlet.
yeah, the premium outlet, drive around Genting area. To be honest, I feel like besides the casino and
Hey guys, my mic died here, so basically what I said was that besides the casino and the theme park, I felt like there wasn't much to do there except for just shopping, or maybe we just missed a few as we were researching, I don't know.
it's like actually blue. Actually, it's not even that cold today. It's okay. It's like cooler. At least you can wear some layers without like sweating. And it's kind of windy. It's like just nice, the weather. Oh my god, the clouds are so beautiful. So I've been trying to find somewhere I can buy drinks. I just haven't found any, so we're going coffee bean. I had my coffee earlier.
Hey guys, my mic died again. The matcha latte didn't really taste much like matcha. I felt like they added something that made it taste sweeter and more creamy, but it didn't really taste like regular matcha, which was kind of meh.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? No, it's special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
Me and my iced matcha latte and nature, because nature is healing. So we're gonna heal. There's no one here though. Actually, where are we? There's a lift here. Okay. It smells Japanese. Is it Japanese?
Yeah, it is a Japanese.
Oh, no wonder it smells Japanese.
It says it looks like a Ghibli studio.
There's something about like places like these in nature that really gives you that peace of mind and like really calms your mind down. especially like when you're overthinking a lot. It's just so quiet. For some reason, your mind also kind of like eventually goes quiet, and then you just like enjoy the view. Guys, my makeup. No, but seriously though, like back in the elevator. Elevator music. Apparently this place is like a villa where oh kitty! Hi!
Oh,
Oh hi!
you wanna come with us?
Ah, sorry!
Why do you wanna come?
You not like it here?
Did you get bullied or what?
Stay safe, okay? Bye!
Bye-bye. They don't have chopsticks.
So we're sitting here, right? I just realized there's like a lift here. That's interesting because where does it go?